Hey guys, welcome back to Mybartender. Today we're teaching you how to make the Mango Bourbon Smash. First, add 3 lemon wedges and a half cup of mango to your cocktail shaker and muddle. Next, add ice to your cocktail shaker. Next, add 2 ounces of your favorite bourbon. Next, add 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Next, add approximately 4 mint leaves. Now shake until well chilled. Now fill your rocks glass with ice and pour through a mesh strainer. Finally, garnish with a lemon wheel, a mint sprig, and a mango wedge. And that's how you make the Mango Bourbon Smash. Cheers.